Cloud cover is still pretty low. Still threatening. And then it could even blow over. Let's see how it looks in the back. Let's do that. There's not a lot of birds singing right now. Some chirping going on. Which makes me think they're getting ready for the rain too. But they might not know. They might just be seeing the same as me and the feeling in the air and whatnot and figure it's happening. It's no guarantee. Now look in the distance over there. Well, what's up? What's up? You keep threatening. You gonna make a move? You gonna make a move? Or you just gonna threaten? You good with the threats? You heard? You heard me? You good with the threats? How about it? Let's see some action. Let's go. We gonna have some precipitation or what? Being all sneaky? Being all threatening? What's up? Let's go. Was that a cow? Yeah, getting a cow to do your bidding. Yeah. Well, finally, after all your threatening, here we are. It's a heck of a far cry from the promised thunderstorms. But I hope you're happy with yourself. You're making the little bunny all soggy. Why is the little bunny sitting down in the rain? I don't understand it. Can we get closer to the little bunny? Will the little bunny decide, I don't need... Whoa! Well, that was slippery. Will the little bunny decide, I don't need to be out in the freaking rain? Let's find out. Hey, bunny. Hello, bunny. Can you see the bunny? I mean, I can barely see the bunny. Alright, I'm going to start walking towards the bunny. He's probably going to sprint out of here. I'm getting sopping wet, and so is the phone. But I'm attempting to get a picture of the bunny. Bunny! Alright. Smarten up, bunny, says the human in the rain. Why is there a bicyclist in my driveway? Alright, I'm going to see if she's okay. Now don't you feel better?